Today we're going to walk you through the next generation of adventurer campers. For model year 2027, it wasn't just about adding a few new features or some small cosmetic updates. This is a full step forward for the adventurer lineup. We took a hard look at how these campers were built, how they perform in the real world, and how people camp in them today. This is the biggest platform-wide update adventurer has done in years, starting with elevated true 4-season capabilities, elevated interior and exterior design, as well as elevated off-grid systems. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through these 4 main pillars that define the new lineup. Built for real-world 4-season conditions, at Adventurer, 4-season capability is at our core of who we are and what we build. But for 2027 lineup, we doubled down on that commitment with major upgrades focused on insulation, durability, and long-term weather protection. One of the biggest additions is Triple Seal Protection, or TSP. This reinforces critical seams and joints throughout the camper, using a layered sealing process designed to improve long-term weather resistance in harsh conditions. Because reality is, truck campers are meant to be used in changing environments. Heavy rain, snow, freeze-thaw cycles, or long-term exposure to the elements. We also upgraded the entire lineup to acrylic insulated windows. These improve thermal performance, reduce condensation, and provides a more quiet and comfortable interior experience in all climates. And finally, we made a major shift towards Azdel composite wall construction across the lineup. These panels are stronger and significantly more moisture resistant than traditionally wood-backed wall material. Together, these upgrades represent a major step forward in true 4-season capability. For 2027, every adventurer interior received a complete refresh. The goal was simple: create a warmer, more refined space that still feels durable and practical for real camper use. One of the biggest upgrades is the introduction of Richlite Countertops across the lineup. Richlite is an incredibly durable, antimicrobial, moisture-resistant surface material originally developed for high-end architecture and culinary fields. It performs exceptionally well in changing climates and brings a much more organic, premium feel to the interior. We also completely updated the upholstery, fabrics, flooring, and overall material palette throughout the lineup. The result is a cleaner, more cohesive interior design that feels elevated the moment you step inside. And for families and customers that want more flexibility, we've introduced the new modular camp cot bunk system. It's a lightweight, removable bunk solution that adds flexible sleeping space for families, guests, or younger campers without permanently sacrificing interior living space. Everything about the 2027 interior redesign was built around comfort, usability, and long-term ownership. Model year 2027 is a cleaner, more modern adventure. On the exterior, our 2027 lineup introduces a completely refreshed design. You'll immediately notice the new redefined graphic package that creates a cleaner, more modern overall appearance, all while staying true to Adventurer's rugged identity. Notice the 4 stripes next to the model name? That represents our commitment to true 4-season durability. The orange? That's a nice call out to our original Slumber Queen model. We also introduced a new integrated front light bar featuring 5 amber running lights. The updated design simplifies the system by moving from multiple individual light entry points to a single integrated entry point. The goal wasn't to redesign Adventurer just for the sake of appearance. Every update was made to create a more cohesive, modern, and functional product from every angle. The final main focus for the next generation of adventure campers was expanding the off-grid capability across the line. Today's customers are traveling out further, staying out longer, and relying more heavily on power, connectivity, and self-sufficiency. So we made major investments into those systems. One of the biggest upgrades is the addition of Truma AquaGo water heaters across much of the lineup. The AquaGo delivers fast, consistent hot water with reliable 4-season performance and a much more premium overall camping experience. All 2027 Adventurer models come pre-wired and Starlink compatible. With this integration, you are now able to be more easily connected while traveling off-grid. And finally, we expanded solar capabilities, lithium battery options, and created more power flexibility across the lineup. The result is a camper that's better equipped for longer trips, modern off-grid travel, and the way people camp today. Our 2027 lineup represents a major step forward for adventure campers, not just visually, but in how the campers are built, how they perform, and how they support long-term ownership. From stronger composite construction to elevated interiors and improved four-season capability to smarter off-grid systems, this is the next generation of adventurer, built on more than 57 years of truck camping manufacturing experience and designed for what's next. To learn more about our 2027 Adventurer campers, reach out to adventurercampers.com or reach out to a local dealer near you.